Hi students, this question is based on coplanarity. In which of the following molecules all atoms are coplanar? Whenever a question is asked on coplanarity, how to answer? He is asking all atoms should be in same plane. In which of the following molecules? Students, first you have to find out the hybridization. Then, if hybridization comes sp3 for each atom, then you should know that central atom shows hybridization. So, central atom will be in the same plane. One central atom and two terminal atoms. Total 3 atoms will be in the same plane. Then if the hybridization is sp2, central atom is obviously in the same plane. Plus the 3 terminal atoms will be in the same plane. So total 1 central atom and 3 terminal atoms sums to 4. If the hybridization of an atom is central atom is sp, then central atom will be in the plane. And it is surrounded by 2 terminal atoms which are also in the same plane. Total 3 atoms will be in the same plane. Now what is the hybridization of this? This carbon is making total how many bonds? These are hidden hydrogens. 2 carbons it is surrounded by. This carbon is surrounded by 2 terminal atoms, carbon atoms, and 2 hydrogen atoms, terminal atoms. Total 4 atoms. So now 4 terminal atoms plus how many localized lone pairs? 0. Then what is the steric number is 4. If steric number is 4, hybridization is sp3. If sp3, how many atoms will be in the same plane? 3, right? Not all the atoms will be in the same plane, but this atom is surrounded by how many atoms? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many atoms are in the same plane? 3. Not all 4 atoms in the same plane. So this will not be the answer. Like that you can check for all. This is sp3, sp3, like that all these atoms are in sp3 hybridization. So all atoms will not be in the same plane. Now what about here? This is sp2, sp2. So each carbon atom here it is surrounded by 3 atoms. This atom, central atom is surrounded by 2 carbon atoms, terminal atoms, and 1 hydrogen. So 3 atoms. These 3 atoms and 1 central atom, it is in the same plane. So total 4 atoms in the same plane. Like that, each carbon atom here it is attached to 1 hydrogen each. Now this carbon is also surrounded by 3 carbons. This carbon is surrounded by 3 carbons. So all of them are in same plane, including the central atom. What about this answer here? sp3. So not possible. Not all the atoms will be in the same plane because each sp3 carbon is surrounded by 4 atoms. Not all 4 atoms will be in the same plane. What is the failure here is this carbon is sp3. So these carbon atoms, all atoms will not be in the same plane. So answer is 2.